Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a whole house clean with me, extreme clean with me, all day clean with me, basically just all of the above. We're just going to be doing a ton of cleaning throughout the house in every room. So my everyday cleaning routine is just the basic cleanup of the whole house, pick up stuff, do dishes, but then once a week I do like a deep clean of the house where I vacuum, mop the floor, do laundry, wash a few windows, wipe down like the desk and stuff. So today not only are we going to be doing the daily pickup, but we're also going to be doing all of that once a week cleaning throughout the house. So it's just going to be a ton of cleaning today, so lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy. This will be a bit of a longer cleaning video, so feel free to clean right along with me today. So today I am wearing my Simply Earth t-shirt. I am an affiliate with them, and this t-shirt is kind of huge, but it's really comfy. I love to wear comfy clothes when I'm cleaning. That's why I'm always in my Snoga athletic skirts when I'm cleaning. I just wanted to show you guys real quickly what their January subscription box looks like. Simply Earth sells essential oils at a really affordable price, and you can sign up for their subscription boxes. You can always get a ton of free stuff with my link down below. So I already have so many essential oils, so I decided to just give away my January box to one of you guys. So I'll show you guys what is in here real quickly. So first off, in the subscription box you will get all of these recipe cards, and everything to make these recipes are in this box, and you get all of these cute stickers for your finished recipes and for your essential oils. Over here is everything you need to make those recipes, and then over here is the 4 essential oils. So if you want to win this box, I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. So to enter to win that essential oil box that I just showed you, all you have to do is first make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because this giveaway is for my subscribers. Then just like this video and comment down below that you want to be entered in the giveaway, and the winner will be chosen randomly. I'll have all of the instructions typed up down in the description box. Okay, so now we are going to get into this cleaning because I've got a lot of cleaning to do. It's gonna take me all day probably, in between taking care of these crazy kids. So I am going to start my cleaning with some laundry, and I'm using Method laundry detergent and 7th generation fabric softener. So I got a load started in the washer, and then I also had to finish folding a load of clothes that was in the dryer. I got these half folded the day before, and then I just got super busy and never finished getting them folded. So I'm going to get those folded after I get this load started here in the washer. Once that laundry was folded, I moved on to cleaning my master bedroom and my master bathroom. Started off here in the bathroom by wiping down the countertop. I'm just using an all-purpose cleaner, sprayed it all over the counter, and then I wiped it down with the Method all-purpose wipes. And sometimes I can usually just wipe down the countertop with just the Method all-purpose wipes, but the counter was a little bit more messier and dirty today, so I sprayed on that all-purpose cleaner first just to help to get it clean better. These cleaning gloves that I wear to clean the toilet are from the Dollar Tree, and that's the only thing that I use these cleaning gloves for, is just for the toilet. And I did the same thing as I did with the countertop, sprayed the toilet down with that all-purpose cleaner, and then I wiped it all down with the Method wipes, and then I used Clorox toilet bowl cleaner to clean the inside of the toilet. Then I got some cleaning done in our master bedroom, made the bed, vacuumed the floor, cleaned a few of the mirrors. I got my little oil diffuser going here beside my bed, and I'm using Simply Earth peppermint oil. This stuff smells amazing. My clothes were done in the washer at this point, so I got them put into the dryer, and then I started a second load of clothes in the washer. After that, I had to get my boys some lunch, but then I was able to get started on this kitchen. This kitchen was pretty messy. I don't usually like it to get this bad, but I started off by emptying this dishwasher. Then there was just lots of dishes to wash, and the countertops needed to be wiped down. I like to clean my stove about once a week with this Ceramibrite cleaning kit. This is from Amazon. I get questions about it all the time. I'll have it linked down in the description box. So now that the kitchen was clean, I moved on to cleaning the living room areas. I got them all picked up, wiped down a few surfaces, did some dusting, vacuumed the floors. So now it was back to the laundry again. I had to fold all of the clothes that were in the dryer, and then I had to put them away and then put the clothes from the washer into the dryer. After I had all of the wood floor swept, then it was time to mop the floor, and I finally got myself a new spray mop. I got the O Cedar mop. A lot of you recommended this, and I put Aunt Fanny's floor cleaner concentrate in there mixed with water, and I really love this mop. I've only used it one time so far, but it definitely works better than any of the previous mops that I used, so I definitely recommend it. Thank you to all of those that suggested it to me. And the last thing that I wanted to do for my cleaning today was to clean the garbage can. I usually do this about once a week, just spray it all down with cleaner and wipe it down really good. And that is going to be it for today's cleaning video. I hope this video gave you tons of cleaning inspiration and motivation. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!